Good afternoon, my dear.
Good afternoon, miss.
Now we are going to do one small activity, okay?
Yes,
In the last class, you introduced yourself.
Yes.
அதாவது போன வகுப்புல நீங்க உங்களை பத்தி சொன்னீங்க. நீங்க உங்களையே introduce பண்ணிட்டீங்க இல்லையா? Now in this class, you are going to introduce others. அதாவது வேற யாராவது ஒருத்தரை பத்தி நீங்க என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? Introduce பண்ணி அவங்கள பத்தி சொல்ல போறீங்க. சரியா? Are you ready?
Ready.
I want at least 3 or 4 sentences. எனக்கு 3 அல்லது 4 sentence ஆவது நீங்க சொல்லணும். That too in English. Okay, my dear? தப்பானா பரவாயில்ல. சரி பண்ணிக்கலாம் நம்ம. ஆனா அதுக்கு பயத்துல வராமல இருக்க கூடாது. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Now, who is coming first? அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம வந்து உங்களை இன்ட்ரோ듀ce பண்ணிடுங்க. பேர் சொல்லுங்க. 7th class இல்லையா?
Sharmila.
Come friend and
Darshana.
Dhanlakshmi. Christina. Devashree. Roshni. Shivashree. Danushree. Muthulakshmi. What Muthulakshmi? Why yes? Yes, Muthulakshmi. Ritusha.
Why Muthulakshmi?
Why Muthulakshmi?
My name is Balaji.
Balaji.
My name is
Ashok.
My name is
Pavitran. Amsaveni. Sindhu. Shobana. Kirtana. Okay. Now who is coming first? Yeah, Garine. Come. Yes, you clap for her. Okay, stop.
She is Roshni.
Ask her to come here. Come here. You are going to introduce her. Yeah.
He likes me and he brought.
She is
like me.
She is liking you.
And
She likes you.
Yes, and Shilochna is best friend.
Slochna is her best friend.
Yes.
Okay.
And she's studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard.
He likes to draw. She likes to draw.
She likes drawing. Okay. That's all. She is Roshni. Her friend is Silochna and you. Okay. She likes drawing. That's all. She is studying 7th standard. That's all. Thank you, my dear. To whom you are going to introduce? Devashree. Who is Devashree? Come, my dear.
Her name is Devashree.
Her name is Devashree.
Devashree is studying in 7th standard.
Devashree is studying 7th standard.
Devashree, his favorite color is pink.
Her favorite color is pink. Okay. She likes pink color.
She likes pink color. His favorite fruit is.
Her favorite fruit is.
Her favorite fruit is strawberry.
Her favorite fruit is strawberry.
Her favorite drink is milkshake.
Her favorite drink is milkshake. Thank you. Yes, you will be here. To whom you want to introduce? Roshni Pati. Who is Roshni? Come. She is Roshni. Okay. Badam. So Roshni's favorite milkshake is badam milkshake. Okay. Highly rich. Roshni's favorite food is chicken rice.
Favorite drawing.
Roshni is very good in drawing. Okay. Very good in drawing. That's all. She is studying 7th standard. So the way. Next one coming. Gathering. Come. What's your name?
My name is
Ashok. To whom you are going to introduce? Balaji. Come here.
She is Balaji.
She, not girl, he.
He is Balaji.
He is Balaji.
He is studying 7th standard.
He is studying 7th standard.
He is my best friend.
He is your best friend. Super.
He drinks like badam milk.
He likes to drink badam milk. That's all. Thank you, my dear. You take care, my dear. To whom you want to introduce?
My name is Balaji. His best friend is Ashok.
Ashok. Okay. Your best friend is Ashok. Stop talking, my dear, please.
His favorite color is red.
His favorite color is red.
His favorite color is red. His favorite food is lemon rice.
His favorite food is lemon rice.
He is studying 7th standard.
He is studying 7th standard. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Next who is coming? Sharmila coming. Sharmila is going to introduce Darshana.
She is my best friend.
She is your best friend.
She is studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard.
Her favorite food is chicken rice.
Her favorite food is chicken rice. But you didn't say her name. Our parent is only. Her name is Darshana. Or otherwise you can say she is Darshana. Okay. Her favorite drink is milkshake.
Her favorite place is temple.
Her favorite place is temple. She likes to go to temple. Super. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Who do you want to introduce? Sharmila. You want to introduce Sharmila?
Her name is Sharmila.
Her name is Sharmila.
Her name is Sharmila.
Okay.
She is my best friend.
She is your best friend.
Her favorite food is chicken rice.
Her favorite food is chicken rice. Okay.
Her favorite color is pink color.
Her favorite color is pink color.
Her favorite flower is rose.
Her favorite color is rose.
Her favorite place is
Her favorite place, which place she wants to go? She likes to go.
Rameshwari.
Rameswaram. Yes? Okay. Thank you, Mother. Next who is coming? Running here. Hello? Come. To whom you want to introduce? Naga, don't laugh. Then don't shout. Muthulakshmi. Ritusha. Your name is Muthulakshmi. Sorry, my dear.
She is Ritusha.
She is Ritusha.
Studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard.
Her favorite food is biryani.
Her favorite food is biryani. What biryani? Mutton or chicken? Chicken biryani. Okay.
Favorite place is Bangalore.
Her favorite place is Bangalore. Super.
Favorite shake is milkshake.
Her favorite milkshake is milkshake. Okay. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Sir, you speak here. To whom you want to introduce? Yara patti solla poringa? Yes, Muthulakshmi. Come, my dear. Solunga.
Her name is S. Muthulakshmi.
Her name is
Her name is S. Muthulakshmi.
Yes, Muthulakshmi.
She is studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard. She likes food is
Her favorite food is, she likes to eat. If you know, so.
her like food is
Her favorite food is fish curry. Her favorite food is fish curry. She likes to drink.
She likes to drink apple juice.
Apple juice. She likes to drink apple juice. Please, I said don't talk. Move. Move. That's all. Thank you, my dear. See, they are introducing their friends. Yeah. Appa neenga enna panna? You must listen. What they are saying, you must listen. You should not talk. Okay, my dear. Next, Ritusha, to whom you want to introduce? Sorry, Muthulakshmi. Yara patti sollanum? Ritusha patti. Vaanga.
She is my She name is
Her name is
Her name is Ritusha.
Ritusha.
She is my best friend.
She is your best friend.
She likes food is chicken biryani.
Her favorite food is chicken biryani. Or நீங்க இப்படி கூட சொல்லலாம். She likes to eat chicken biryani. அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம்.
She likes to drink strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry milkshake. She likes to drink strawberry milkshake. Okay.
She likes place Bangalore.
Her favorite place is Bangalore. She likes to go there. அங்க போக ஆசை. போயிருக்கீங்க. Oh, that's why you liked. Okay. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Next, who is coming? Who is coming? Hello. வராதவங்க வரணும். நீங்களா வந்துட்டா பரவாயில்ல. otherwise I will call you. You, Krishna, come. கண்ணா நீங்க யாரை பத்தி சொல்ல போறீங்க? Danushri, come, my dear. வாங்க முன்னாடி வாங்க. சொல்லுங்க. Your best friend is Danushri. தப்பான பரவாயில்ல நான் சொல்லி தரேன். நீ வாங்கி தர. She is studying 7th standard. Super. அவளுக்கு என்ன சாப்பாடு பிடிக்கும்? Her favorite food, favorite color.
Favorite color is violet.
Her favorite color is violet. Super. Done. வேற என்ன பிடிக்கும்? Favorite food சொல்லலாம். Favorite drink சொல்லலாம். சொல்லலாமா? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Radha. To whom you want to introduce? Yarapala is me. Muthulakshmi சொல்லியாச்சு. She came. You send some other person. சொல்லாதவனை பத்தி சொல்லுங்க. Sindhu. Who is Sindhu? Come right here. With the mask. Somewhere. Bit down. She is. சொல்லுங்க. பக்கத்துல வாங்க. கையில வாங்க. சொல்லுங்க. She is your best friend. Okay. She is studying 7th standard. Okay. Her favorite color is orange. Her favorite color is orange. Favorite food is chicken biryani. Everyone is likes chicken biryani only. Everyone is telling chicken biryani, chicken biryani, chicken biryani. That's all. Thank you, my dear. You be here. Hello. Come here. What's your name? You go and stand there. Who you want to answer me? Come. Why Muthu? Come this side. Go stand there. She is Amsaveni.
Studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard.
Her favorite color is orange and pink.
Her favorite color is orange and pink.
If it is chicken biryani.
Her favorite food is chicken biryani. That's all. That's all. Thank you. To whom you want to introduce? Move, take forward, please. யாரை பற்றி நம்ம சொல்லணும்? Christina. Come right here. Her name is Christina Shivi.
Studying 7th standard.
She is studying 7th standard. அவளுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கும்? என்ன கலர் பிடிக்கும்? என்ன பிளான் பிடிக்கும்? அவளுக்கு எந்த இடம் பிடிக்கும்? இதெல்லாமே சொல்லலாம். Tell me in English. She likes drawing. She likes to eat chapati. அந்த மாதிரி அவளுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்குமோ அதை சொல்லுங்க.
She likes to eat tomato rice.
She likes to eat tomato rice. Super. அவளுக்கு என்ன கலர் பிடிக்கும்? உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டு தானே, உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் தானே? She is your friend, no? அவளுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கும் தெரியும் தானே? அவ கிளாஸ் Kirtana. Who is talking? She is studying 7th standard. அவளுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கும்? என்ன கலர் பிடிக்கும்? என்ன சாப்பிட பிடிக்கும்? அவள் எப்படிப்பட்ட பொண்ணு? அவள் கிளாஸ்ல எப்படி இருப்பா? அவளோட ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் எப்படி இருக்கும்? அவளுக்கு என்ன டான்ஸ் பண்ண பிடிக்குமா? பாட்டு பாட பிடிக்குமா? எழுத பிடிக்குமா? சாப்பிட பிடிக்குமா? தூங்க பிடிக்குமா? என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணுவா கிளாஸ்ல? எல்லாமே சொல்லலாம். அவளை பத்தி உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுமோ சொல்லலாம். Okay, thank you. Good. Shobana, come right in. Your best friend is Shobana. She is studying 7th standard. Her favorite food is chicken biryani and tomato rice. Her favorite drink is mango juice. Her favorite color is pink. Favorite animal is tiger. Favorite bird is parrot. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Kirtana, உங்களை பத்தி தான் சொல்லணுமா? வாங்க. Stand here. சொல்லுங்க. She is Kirtana Priya. She is studying 7th standard. She is your best friend.
Her favorite food is chicken biryani and vegetable biryani.
Her favorite food is chicken biryani and vegetable biryani. Everyone is telling chicken biryani, chicken biryani.
Her favorite color is pink.
Her favorite color is pink.
Her favorite animal is tiger.
Her favorite animal is tiger.
Her favorite bird is parrot.
Her favorite bird is also parrot.
Okay. She looks pretty.
She looks very pretty. Yeah, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கீங்களா? எங்க கொஞ்சம் காமிங்க. You are pretty only. She looks beautiful, sis. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Good. Next. யார் வரலனா? Pavitra. Pavitra, to whom you want to introduce? யார் பத்தி சொல்லணும்? Nitish, come.
His name is Nitish.
His name is Nitish.
His dad is
His favorite food is chicken rice. Okay. Favorite color is red color. Okay. That's all. Thank you, my dear. Good. It is whom you want to introduce. யார பத்தி சொல்ல ஆசைப்படுறீங்க? Pavitra, come.
He is the best friend.
He is my best friend.
He is best friend.
His name is
Pavitra.
His name is Pavitran. His favorite food is
Chicken biryani.
chicken biryani.
Favorite drink is
His favorite drink is rose milk.
He is studying 7th
He
standard.
is studying 7th standard. That's all. Thank you, my dear. So everyone finished. Everyone finished. See, while you are telling, you first introduce their name. First, அவங்க பேர் சொல்லுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க which class he or she is studying. Then what she or he likes. அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கும். And which place she likes. And what game she wants to play. And what food she wants to eat. எல்லாமே சொல்லலாம். And how she is. அது எப்படிப்பட்ட பொண்ணு. Whether she is good or naughty. குறும்பு பண்றாங்களா இல்லையா. She is very quiet. She is very calm. Her handwriting is very neat. She looks beautiful. சரியா? அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே சொல்லலாம். இது வந்து just to communicate. அதாவது உங்களுக்கு language வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும்? பேச வைக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத. Just to learn the language. To communicate the language. புரிஞ்சா? பேசி பழகணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இது வந்து சொல்றது. நீங்க பயந்துக்கவே வேண்டாம். சரியா தம்பி? ஓகே Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Nicely you are done.